Hello, traders. FS Speculator here. Today is Sunday, October 19th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the US dollar. We're starting on the monthly time frame, working our way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, anyways, my main analysis on the euro dollar definitely still has been that this could be an expanding flat, an expanding A, B, C correction, pushing all the way up to someplace around 1.34 to maybe 1.36. Now, like I've been saying, if you've been following my videos, we cannot rule out the possibility of this move up right here just being a pullback to this last impulsive move down. We've been sitting at the 78% for quite some time now. If we do get a break to the downside on a little bit of a shorter time frame, it definitely could start a brand new downtrend. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I mean, we still don't really have a break of structure down. We definitely don't have a significant lower high. For me, the break of structure area is right here. If it does go down and break that with momentum, then I'm going to have to say that this is an ABC correction and that this really is starting a brand new downtrend. So definitely we have to be careful about assuming that this is over because there is a chance that it could make a higher low and just keep on going up, forming that expanding ABC that I was showing on the monthly time frame. Going down to the daily time frame. Now, my analysis on the daily for a while now has been that this is an ABC of either a running or an expanding flat. If it's an expanding flat, I would target this area. If it's a running flat, I would target this area. Now, we definitely did make a very significant higher low here, but we did not break structure to the upside. And actually, it looks like it's trying to respect the 78%. And I still think there is a chance that this is going to go down. And like I said, if it does break and hold below that weekly time frame structure, if the weekly candle does close bearish below structure, then it may not even be an ABC. It may actually turn into a complete trend reversal on the very high time frames. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we got our Fibonacci retracement from here to here. We definitely did end up, respecting the 78%. This move down is very impulsive. I have a hard time, calling this a complete correction because most corrections do play out as three wave patterns, but you do get motive wave corrections, and maybe that is what this is. Definitely very impulsive. And if it maintains impulsive movement, then we would know that it really is the continuation of the downtrend on the daily. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would be recommending shorts right now, but I would also have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, because if you do get a break of structure to the upside at any one of these fib levels, then I would stop looking for shorts and simply start looking for longs again. But if it just keeps on going down, making lower lows, lower highs, and an impulsive trend, meaning that every swing is a lower high, lower high, lower high, then we would just be looking for shorts the whole time and learning and earning at the same time that this up here really is the end of a pullback on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.